A clip is doing the rounds of the internet in which a parrot got hold of a person's phone and flew away with it as swiftly as it could. The clip, which was shared on Twitter, features a person running behind a parrot as it claws the phone and flies away. In the video, a person was spotted running behind a parrot that flew away with his phone in its claws. As the video progressed, the bird ended up capturing a panoramic view of the entire neighborhood for almost a minute. Everything got captured, including the houses, rooftops, and the roads. It stopped for a moment on the railing of a balcony but flew away again when it heard people calling out. Parrot takes the phone on a fantastic trip, wrote Twitter user Schulz while sharing the 1.49-minute clip. The video ended with the bird perched above a car. Needless to say, the clip has gone viral on the microblogging platform. It has been viewed more than 9.89 lakh times and has over 31,000 likes. It has prompted several reactions from netizens online. While many netizens joked that the parrot could become a filmmaker, others thought that the video was edited. Here are some of the reactions.